In this video, we'd like to show you how to install EveCam. Your EveCam comes with a magnetic adjustable base for precise positioning. Your HomeKit setup code is located under the base. Included in the box is a quick start guide with a QR code that you'll need later to set up EveCam. Please hold on to this code. Also included is a 7-foot, 2.2 meter USB-A to micro USB connection cable. There is also a 5-volt, 1-amp power supply included. Use this or another one with the same output. There are 4 different plug types included, as well as mounting material to screw EveCam on the wall. This includes a metal plate, an adhesive pad, and mounting material. EveCam leverages HomeKit Secure Video to safeguard your data. To use the camera, you'll need a Home Hub and an iCloud storage plan. Your Home Hub is either your HomePod or Apple TV. You need an iCloud storage plan to securely store your recordings. The 200 GB storage plan supports 1 camera, and the 2 TB plan supports up to 5 cameras. Select the plug type that fits your electrical outlets and connect it to the power supply. Plug the USB cable into the power supply and EveCam. Place EveCam in your room and plug it into an electrical outlet. If you want to mount EveCam on the wall, you'll need to use the supplied mounting material. Use either the adhesive pad or the screw to attach the metal plate to the wall. To set up EveCam, use the Eve app, which can be downloaded from the App Store. Open the Eve app and tap Settings on the bottom right and then Add Accessory. Now scan the HomeKit setup code, which you'll find on your EveCam or in the Quick Start Guide. Under Streaming and Recording, you can select when your camera should record or when you would prefer a little privacy. Tap When Home and select the preferred recording option. You'll find the following options: Off. No one can stream and nothing is recorded. Detect Activity. This activates the motion detection of EveCam to trigger automations and to send notifications. Stream. You and people invited to this home can view the live stream of EveCam and can receive notifications when activity is detected. If you select Stream and allow recording, you and people invited to this home can view the live stream of EveCam and detected activity will be recorded. Tap When Away and select your preferred recording options. The next screen only appears if you have shared your home with others. Tap Next to choose what members of your home may access. Your options are Stream Only and Stream and View Recordings. Give your accessory a unique name and select the room where EveCam is located. Tap Done on the top right. When you're all done, you'll see an overview showing the room where EveCam is located. Tap Done to complete the setup. Navigate to the room where EveCam is located and tap on the name you've previously chosen. One of the Eve app's unique features is an overview of past motion events. You can easily scroll through them in the list view and export them as needed. Tap Back and then enlarge the EveCam stream. Tap the gear icon on the bottom right to open the camera audio settings and adjust the microphone and speaker gain without pausing the stream. While speaking, tap the microphone. To protect your privacy, recording and notification options may only be accessed via the Apple Home app. Tap the button on the bottom left and then open Home to go directly to the Home app. Tap the video tile of Eve Cam. Tap the gear icon at the top left. In recording options, you can select when the camera should record, when any motion is detected, or when specific motion is detected, such as people, animals, or vehicles. Don't worry, the video is locally analyzed by your home hub and doesn't leave your home. You can also toggle the recording of audio, and you can instantly erase the camera's recordings at any time. You have complete control of your home. No one may view your recordings other than people you have permitted. The options you've chosen for recording also impact the notifications you can set up in the next step. When you're done, tap Back. Tap Notifications. Select Allow Snapshots and Notifications if you want notifications from the camera to include a still image of the motion or activity that is detected. Turn on Status Change Notifications to receive notifications when the camera changes from one mode to another. Turn on Activity Notifications if you want to receive notification when the camera detects activities like motion, people, animals, and vehicles. You can restrict notifications to certain times or when people are home. Under Time, you can select a day event or set specific times. Under People, you can set notifications based on who is home. Finally, you can choose to receive a notification when any motion is detected, or only when a clip is recorded, taking into account if you previously enabled people, animals, or vehicles detection. Now tap Back and decide whether the Eve camera status light should be on or off. The status light on the camera allows you to see what Eve Cam is doing at any given time. When activated, the light displays 3 status modes: Off, Streaming and Recording Disabled; Blue, Streaming Enabled and Inactive; Red, Streaming Active, Recording Enabled. Finally, choose whether to automatically turn on the camera's built-in night vision light when it is dark. To protect your privacy, you may only watch recordings in your Home app. Open Eve Cam and rotate your device horizontally for a larger view. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a timeline of your recorded events. The events are labeled as people, animals, or vehicles. Tap an event to watch the recording. A date bar appears at the top of the screen. Use it to quickly jump between different days. If you see something suspicious and have other smart accessories in the same room, such as Eve Energy or Eve Light Strip, you can tap the 4 tiles on the bottom right to immediately turn on any accessories such as your TV, lights, or the light strip. Tap Done and then Live, and you'll see that your devices are now on.